The New York City Family Justice Center offers assistance to Brooklyn residents who have been victims of domestic violence in a welcoming and safe place. The center, located at 350 J Street in Brooklyn, is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. All of the help you receive is free, and you do not need an appointment to get help. The center offers assistance to domestic violence victims and their children. However, if you have been arrested for domestic violence and there is an open criminal case against you, we cannot provide services for you at the center. We will refer you to another location for help. When you check in at the security desk, you will be asked to show identification. We want to assist you in your native language. In addition to many bilingual staff, we have a special telephone in the lobby with interpreters available. Please put your Family Justice Center sticker in a visible place on your clothing because it helps the center staff to send you to the right place. From the security desk, please proceed through the metal detector and take the elevator upstairs to the 15th floor. Upon entering the 15th floor, proceed to the door by the logo where you will be greeted by an intake specialist who will open the secured entrance. The intake specialist will begin the process by directing you to the help you need. For example, if you were sent a letter to meet with an assistant district attorney, the intake specialist will send you directly to the part of the floor where the assistant district attorneys work. The intake specialist may also direct you to the hospitality suite until the proper personnel are available. Upon entering the hospitality suite, you may want your children who are 3 or older to play in the children's room. The children's room is a safe area where children play and participate in educational activities such as drawing, reading, writing, listening to music, singing, and talking. They may also receive homework help. Your child will be supervised while in the room. You will also receive a beeper so that we can notify you if your child needs you. If your child talks to the children's room staff about domestic violence, the staff will tell you that when you pick up your child. Your intake specialist may also direct you to meet with a client services specialist. The client services specialist will further identify your needs and will assist you in filling out any necessary paperwork. The information you give to the client services specialist will be kept confidential. After asking some basic questions and assessing your needs, your client services specialist may take you to meet with someone who can help you. A nonprofit victim advocate is someone from a community agency and may be called a social worker, counselor, or case manager. Once again, for your protection, the advocate will keep everything you tell them confidential unless you give permission to do otherwise. The only exception is information about a child who is being hurt, or if we feel that you may hurt yourself or another person. If that happens, by law, a report must be made. Your advocate can work with other agencies at the center to help you, but only if this is what you want. If you want your advocate to share any information about your situation with another agency at the center, you must give permission. One of the many services that your advocate may suggest is counseling for children who witness violence. We have a community agency that provides both long-term individual and group counseling at the center for children between the ages of 5 to 18. Our counselors can also connect you to some additional help in your local community. We have 2 New York City police officers at the center. You can file a report about an abusive situation on site and can talk to a police officer about abuse that has occurred in the past. The police officer can also give you general information in your native language about how the police can help you. You may also speak with a probation officer at the center if you think the person who is hurting you is on probation. You do not have to be certain that they are on probation, and you do not need to know who their assigned probation officer is. We have free civil lawyers at the center who can help answer questions about orders of protection, child support, custody and visitation, and immigration. Interfaith spiritual caregivers volunteer at the center and may be able to help you. If you feel lost, separated from your beliefs, or are struggling with personal issues, the center has spiritual caregivers of various faiths available to help you if you so request. This program is voluntary. We can also give you information about on-the-job and educational training programs, including information on how to enroll in a high school equivalency class, learn English as a second language, or take a course to help you to prepare for a job interview. All of the services available at the center are free of cost, including safety planning, support groups, counseling for adult clients and their children, assistance with filing police reports, assistance getting probation information, prosecution of domestic violence crimes, civil legal information on family matters, immigration and divorce, help with orders of protection, children's activities, assistance for the elderly and/or disabled, language interpretation, practical assistance, information on emergency shelter and housing, information on high school equivalency classes, English as a second language classes, job training and readiness programs, and voluntary spiritual support. Before you leave the Family Justice Center, make sure to get the telephone number of the person who helped you and the days or hours they work at the center. If you would like more help, you can make an appointment to come back and meet with the same person who knows you, your situation, and what help you received, so they are best able to assist you again. The Family Justice Center partners are here to help you. The center is open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. In an emergency, call 911. For non-emergencies, call 311. The Family Justice Center is a program of the Mayor's Office to Combat Domestic Violence in partnership with the Kings County District Attorney's Office and a wide variety of on-site, nonprofit, and government partners.